welcome back. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. And as you can see from the description, we have the Walmart Winter 2019 Trendsetter box here to open. I think this is a fantastic subscription. It is $5 every quarter, and technically the subscription is free. You're just paying for the $5 shipping, and you always receive some fun samples and sometimes full-size items, and it's just a great mix of stuff to get. And for $5 every 3 months, you can't beat it. So I'm super excited to see what is in this box. I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. And yeah, we're going to get unboxing. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I do have the live giveaways going on, and as well as the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. The link for that will also be below. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is in. Again, this is the Trendsetter box, the Walmart Beauty Winter 2019. So we open it up, and this is what we see. I can already see some decent sized products in here. So let me see if there is a card. There is Hydration Heroes. This is the Walmart Beauty box. So that right there. This box does also come in a classic. You can choose between the classic and the Trendsetter. The difference is 35 and below is the Trendsetter, they say, and 35 and up is the classic. So, I mean, it just depends on what you want to, potentially receive in your box. So the first item I see is from Pantene. It is the Intense Rescue Shots Ampule. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. So after washing, shampoo and conditioner, dispense the ampule into your hand, apply onto damp hair and massage from mid-length to ends. And then you rinse thoroughly. Okay, so there is that. So that's always great. And this I like because this isn't something that you would have to leave on your hair for like 10 or 15 minutes. So I like that. I think that that's definitely so much more convenient than some of the hair treatments or stuff that you have to leave on in the shower for like 15 minutes. And it's like, what am I going to do in here? So the next item is from Curel. This is the Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. Water activated moisture works deep into skin surface, helps repair moisture barrier with ceramide complex, immediately absorbs and completely greaseless. So that is awesome. So you would use this in the shower as well. That's a really good size. It's 2 fluid ounces. So let's see. Then we have a few little pamphlets here. Just some little information. They always include some of those. And then we have, oh, this looks so fun. Okay, this is from is it Soa, I think? I'm not sure. This is a Unicorn Glow hologram mask. It's for detoxing and brightening. Oh, this looks like it's going to be so much fun. Oh my goodness. Okay. And I'm all about some sheet masks, so super excited to try that guy out. So I mean, already just those 3 products, in my opinion, are more than worth the $5. So, and then here from Olay, we have Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean, 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. Just add water. It's a 1 dry cloth. Okay, so it's like kind of like a makeup wipe, but you have to wet it yourself and then remove your makeup, but it does other things, it says. So that's awesome. Be happy to give that little guy a try. There's still some stuff in here. So then here we have from Neutrogena, a collagen kiss, collagen infused lip mask. It says infused with vitamin C and vitamin E, designed to leave lips feeling smooth and supple. I use lip mask every now and then. What I like about them is most of the time they are huge and you can actually cut them in half and get 2 uses out of them. So I'm excited to receive another one and kind of see once I open it the size and then go from there. So okay, hold on. Then we have the Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy. This is the shampoo and conditioner, little foil packets. These are actually pretty good size. You probably could get at least one, obviously one, if not 2 uses out of these, depending on the length of your hair. So I don't mind getting these every now and then. I'm not a really big fan of foil packets, but I mean, when they're decent size foil packets, I think it's okay. So there is that. And then y'all, there's a makeup bag in here. And it's like super shiny. This is cute. It's got a little tassel. It does have the little Walmart logo. We've never, at least as long as I've been getting the box, never received a makeup bag. So I think that is super cute. That's a nice little touch. I really like seeing that in there. That is awesome. So this really cute makeup bag, that seriously, I'm like, yes. Okay. So the makeup bag, the Garnier shampoo and conditioner, the Neutrogena lip mask. This is super fun looking and I cannot wait to use. A unicorn holographic or hologram face or sheet mask. The little dry cloth cleanser from Olay Daily Facials. The Curel wet skin moisturizer. And the Pantene Intense Rescue Shot Ampule. So yeah, I think this absolutely was worth the $5. And in my opinion, this is probably the best Walmart beauty box I have received to date. So I'm super excited. I think all of the products are great. And then I think the bag being added is awesome. That's the first time, like I said, I've seen the bag. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, and I will also leave that link for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And again, please, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because I will be doing some live giveaways coming up here very soon. So I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.